Hey guys, Lily here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. So without further ado, let's get started. For example, if I'm having issues logging into Messenger, there are several things to consider before we completely reset our password. First of all, we'll check to see whether our internet connection is strong enough to run the app. To do just that, go to our settings and press on Wi-Fi, then just toggle off our Wi-Fi. And in doing so, we can only use mobile data, which is faster, so we can use the app and log in way quicker. If this doesn't fix your issue, the next step you should take is to make sure your app is up to date. To do so, just go to your Play Store and search for Messenger. You'll be able to find the app. And right next to Messenger, if it says Open, then your Messenger app is completely up to date. If it says Update, you must update the app. There might just be an issue, or a messenger simply won't function until it's entirely up to date, and that's your second step. Simply update it and it should work flawlessly. Even when that has already been updated and it's still not functioning properly, the next step is to clear the app's data and cache. So, if you want to clear your app data, go to your settings, scroll down to apps, and then type Messenger into the search bar. Choose that. Then choose Storage. So you can simply select to clear the app data from this screen. However, clearing app data would also delete all of your Messenger content from your phone, such as images, videos, or other media. Anything you send or receive will be deleted from your phone. If you're still having trouble logging in, it's possible that your username, password, or both are incorrect, and you'll need to reset them. So we'll simply choose Forgotten Password, fill in the account's phone number or email address, and it'll send a code to the email that I entered. Let's go ahead and type that code over here. And let's choose Keep Me Logged In, and then you can enter in your new password over here. And let's just keep going, and it'll reset it as if it were a new app, and you'll be back logged in no time. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.